If you are already having a hot girl summer, I salute you. If you already having a hot girl summer, I salute you. But this video is for the rest of us who are trying to tap into that energy so that we don't miss out. In today's video, we are going to make a love candle so you can attract love faster to yourself so you don't miss out on hot girl summer. I'm your host Gigi with G Analogy TV. On here I talk about spirituality and tarot card readings. I also have a FIVERR account that you can check out where I have 3 packages. I want to have a hot girl summer like my subscribers, so join the party and subscribe to my channel, then hit the bell notification so you can be notified with my latest video. You will leave today's video knowing how to make a love candle that works and having a hot girl summer like Megan Thee Stallion. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is gather all your tools. So you're going to need a candle, just like the one I have here. Some type of screwdriver, something that you could bore a hole into the candle. A Sharpie marker, some scissors, some essential oils. You're gonna need a paper to write things on. So you could use like these stickers that I'm gonna dress the candle with. This is Lord Ganesh, and he is the remover of all obstacles. You guys can see it. So the first thing you want to do is take your candle, of course, and you're gonna make 3 holes in your candle going counterclockwise. So I'm gonna make 1 hole like this. Oh, look at that. See? So that's like 1 hole. Try to go as far down in the candle as possible. All right, so that's 3 holes in the candle. Great. Another thing you want to pay attention to is when you get a candle, you want to make sure that the wick is perfectly in the center. After you're done doing that, the next thing you want to do is throw some essential oils in your candle. So I'm going to use my lavender oil just to focus. My Lucky Gambler oil, because I'm trying to also bring in some money during this hot girl summer. And if you really want to bring out that dangerous, sexy girl vibe inside of you, you could use this Jezebel oil. Alright, so all you're gonna do is, add your oil to the candle. Just a little bit like this, so you get in the hole. I'm gonna put in my lavender. And then the Jezebel. So the next thing you could do is you could add some herbs to your candle, like rosemary, bay leaves, or dry roses. I don't have any dry roses. These are the flowers from my spiritual bath I took the other day. You would just put the dry, herbs and candle. Easy. I'm gonna apply my sticker to it, make it cute. So cute. Look how it came out. Look how cute it is. Look how it came out so nice and cute. At the back of the candle, you want to write your intentions. So, one thing I can say is that love is the highest vibration that you can achieve frequency wise. You ever heard the saying, at your best, you are love? Okay, they're simply just saying, love yourself and put yourself first. So when you make this candle, you want to make sure that you are putting your highest intentions. You attract love by loving yourself. So once you put yourself first, the rest will follow. Be like Rihanna. Don't go looking for no man. The man come find you. See that? That's part of having hot girl mentality 101. That's what being or having a hot girl summer is all about. It's all about going out, enjoying yourself, having fun, not caring what anybody has to say, letting your confidence shine through. That's just it. Alright, so at the back of the candle, what you want to do is label what your intentions are for the candle. So with this pink candle, this is for love. I am putting the love onto myself. I can't make anybody love me or anything like that. But what you can do is love yourself, put yourself first. So I'm choosing this pink candle for love. So that is my intention. So with my Sharpie marker, I'm gonna write on the back of it, love, spell, candle, for myself. Boom. Love, spell, candle, for myself. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to write your petitions to put underneath the candle, so that when you burn the candle, you can focus on what is it that you want to come true. Alright, so now I'm going to give you 10 petitions to think about and write. First one, you could say, I want to be dangerous, sexy, powerful. Petition number 2, I'm going to put myself first. So what that means is, no matter what the circumstances are, I'm going to make sure that I am number 1. Petition number 3, if you want to have your hot girl summer, then you want to make sure that everything is on point. Your makeup is on point, your hair is on point, your nails and toes are on point. Petition number 4, you're going to stay dust free. Whatever dusty X that you have lingering around, you're going to get rid of them, and you're going to work on attracting a better mate. Petition number 5, getting in your bag, meaning apply it how you want to take it. You're just going to get in your bag. Petition number 6, paying attention to cleanliness, because it is being close to godliness. Petition number 7, I will create music playlists that will keep me in the hot girl summer mode. You can find a bunch of playlists by female artists that make songs just for you to be confident and go out there and own the night. The 8th petition would be to awaken your divine feminine self. So that simply means demasculating yourself. Stop being masculine and being more feminine. Maybe taking your voice 2 octaves higher. The 9th petition is writing affirmations to yourself that you are the baddest, you are the hottest. Alright, so after you finish writing your petition, all you have to do is put it in the envelope and seal it. Place it underneath your candle so that when you light it, you don't burn your house down, please. And the whole point of it is that every time you light the candle and you look at it, you just remember that whatever you petitioned yourself to do is what you're gonna do. Whether it's putting yourself first, having more confidence, going out there, dating, meeting new friends, having fun. That's what this is all about. How to bring that out of you, you know. Stop being boring, stop telling yourself negative things and staying like in your house. You know, go out and enjoy the summer, and that's it. Before you run off to go have your hot girl summer, please comment down below, like, share, and subscribe my video so that other girls can know, you know, basically how to do this. Don't be mean. Spread the information so that we all can learn and rise to higher levels together. Girl power. Also, I'm gonna link my other videos coming up right here. That's not where it is. It should be right here. Alright. So I'm gonna link my other videos. Please watch them. Please comment and subscribe. This concludes my video for having a hot girl summer. You guys know what to do. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. And I'll catch you on my next video.